GK teacher. My name is Mrs. Jyoti. So we are in lesson number 5. Okay. So take out your textbook. Open your page 467 and take out your pencil also. Okay. Keep these things ready. So we are going to learn about lesson number 5. Okay. What is lesson 5? It is famous quotes. It is about famous quotes. So what are famous quotes? So we have many freedom fighters. Yes, you know who are the freedom fighters who fought for the freedom of India, like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, so Alluri Sita Rama. So all these people are the freedom fighters who fought for our country, and because of them only we are like this. Otherwise, we would have been like slaves under the Britishers. Okay, so these freedom fighters, they have a slogan. So each and every person has a famous quotation. Okay, about those quotations we will learn today. Okay, so in this lesson they are going to give the quotation. Now we should identify to whom that quotation belongs. So you are very fond of the actors of movies. Yes, that is heroes. So each and every hero has some favorite dialogues. Okay, they have their dialogues and you know it very well, and among them few are your favorite one, isn't it? Like how heroes have their dialogues, like very famous dialogues. Now in the same way, the freedom fighters also have the quotations. Okay, they have their own quotes. So what they said regarding the India or regarding the people, how they have to be. About these things we will learn today. Okay, so take out page number 467. Lesson number 5, famous quotes. So warm up. Name any 5 popular leaders of India. So this will be for your homework. Okay, warm up will be for your homework. So this you have to write it in the textbook itself. Okay. So how many freedom fighters you know, how many leaders you know, you can write all those names. Okay. You can write freedom fighters name, or you can write the politician name who are leading the country popularly. Like Narendra Modi is there. So he is successful in his work. That is, he is leading the country properly. So his name also you can write, otherwise Mahatma Gandhi, Mother Teresa. So these names also you can write. So you know very, you know so many famous leaders. So those names you can write any 5. Or else, now we are going to write the names of few famous leaders. So those names also you can repeat it. So now below this you have total 9 famous quotations. So these famous quotations are said by the famous leaders. So these names also you can write it in the homework box. So it's very simple homework for you. Now moving on to the first one. So the first one is, our good and evil deeds follow us continuously like a shadow. Okay, our good and evil deeds follow us continuously like a shadow. So wherever we go, our shadow follows us, isn't it? So in the same way, how the shadow is following us till we die. In the same way, whatever good we have done to people and whatever evil is nothing but bad. So whatever bad we have done to few people, it's everything followed by us. So everything comes back on us. If we do good to people, so good is going to follow us. If we do bad to people, bad is going to follow us. And this quotation was said by Gautama Buddha. This was said by Gautama Buddha. Gautama. So you have seen many pictures of Gautama Buddha, the person sitting, a saint sitting under a tree, and doing some meditation and all. So that you know very well. So he is Gautama Buddha. Then second one, we all grow better in sunshine and in love. So this was said by Mother Teresa. This was said by Mother Teresa. Motherteresa. Mother Teresa. So Mother Teresa said that we all grow better in the sunshine and in love. It's nothing but in a simple way, you have to spread love to everyone. You have to spread love to everyone. That is the point here. So she, the second picture here, she is Mother Teresa. She is Mother Teresa. Okay. Then you see the third one. We will face the bullets of our enemies. We are free, will remain free. So we will face the bullets of our enemies. We are free and we will remain free. And this was said by Chandrasekhar Azad. This was said by Chandrasekhar Azad. Little big name, yes. Chandrakar. Chandrasekhar Azad. AZAD. So Chandrasekhar Azad is this person, the first person in the paper. So he is the person who said that quotation. Then fourth one. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. So Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. So this is the famous quotation said by Bala Gangadhar Tilak. It was said by Bala Gangadhar Tilak. So write down BALGANGADHARTILAK. So here is Bala Gangadhar Tilak. So here is the person Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, he is Chandrasekhar Azad and he is Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, then moving on to the fifth one. At the stroke of midnight, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. So when everyone is sleeping also, we are always awake for the freedom. So this is the famous quotation said by Jawaharlal Nehru. It was said by Jawaharlal Nehru. It was said by Jawaharlal Nehru. So here is the person Jawaharlal Nehru. So you know him very well. Yes, the first person is Jawaharlal Nehru. Then moving on to the next one. Shall I run? Sixth one. Faith is the bird that sings when the dawn is still dark. So faith is the bird which sings when the dawn is still dark. Generally birds do not make sound when once if it is evening and again it becomes dark, they do not make the sound. But faith, that is believing in the God, is it sounds whenever there is day and night. That is, faith is the one which will always make a sound. That is, we always believe in God. So this was said by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. So he is the person. The second person is Rabindranath Tagore. So the second person is Rabindranath Tagore. Okay. Rabindranath Rabindranath Tagore. So the simple meaning of this is you have to believe in God. Then moving on to the next one, that is seventh one. All wealth belongs to the divine and those who hold it are trustees, not possessors. So all wealth belongs to the divine and those who hold it are trustees and not the possessors. So all the wealth is nothing but like money or any asset or something else like that. So you have to leave it on God. You shouldn't hold it. That is the meaning of this. And this was said by Sri Aurobindo. Sri Aurobindo. So here is the person Sri Aurobindo. The second person you can see here. He is Sri Aurobindo. I am repeating the spelling. S-R-I Sri Aurobindo. A-U-R-O-B-I-N-D-O. Then eighth one. Truth is my God. Non-violence is the meaning of realizing Him. So truth is my God and non-violence is the meaning of realizing Him. So this is the famous quotation said by Mahatma Gandhi. So you all know Mahatma Gandhi, right? So here is the person. The first person is Mahatma Gandhi. Then the last one is give me blood and I will give you freedom. So give me blood and I will give you freedom. This was said by Subhash Chandra Bose, the first person. Okay, this was said by Subhash Chandra Bose. The last one, ninth one is Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, these are the answers of the following bits. Once again I am reading. Just see. The first one is our good and evil deeds follow us continuously like a shadow. And this was said by Gautama Buddha. Then we all grow better in sunshine and in love. So this is said by Mother Teresa. We will face the bullets of our enemies and we are free, we remain free. Then this was said by Chandrasekhar Azad. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it, said by Bala Gangadhar Tilak. At the stroke of midnight, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. So this was said by Jawaharlal Nehru. Fate is the bird that sings when the dawn is still dark, and this is said by Rabindranath Tagore. All wealth belongs to the divine and those who hold it are trustees, not possessors, and this is said by Sri Aurobindo. Then truth is my God, non-violence is the means of realizing Him, and this is said by Mahatma Gandhi. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. This is said by Subhash Chandra Bose. So once again I am going to show you all the pictures. So in each and every page you can see two pictures. Okay. So Subhash Chandra Bose and then Rabindranath Tagore. Subhash Chandra Bose and Rabindranath Tagore. Then here you can see Mother Teresa and Mahatma Gandhi. The first picture is Mahatma Gandhi. Then you can see Mother Teresa. Then you can see here Jawaharlal Nehru and Sri Aurobindo. Jawaharlal Nehru and Sri Aurobindo. Then Chandrasekhar Azad and Balagangadhar Tilak. Chandrasekhar Azad and Balagangadhar Tilak. So these are the famous people. Now your homework is you should write the warm-up. So what is warm-up? Any 5 popular leaders of India. You can write the politician's name or you can write the freedom fighters' name. So if you don't know those many freedom fighters, so below are the names. Okay, now whatever we have written the answers, those are nothing but the freedom fighters' name. So you can write those names also. So write it in the textbook only, don't write it in the homework book. Okay, so with this we have completed lesson 5 in the textbook. Then we are moving on to the practice book. Okay, so in the next session I am going to tell you the practice book. So along with this I am going to give you the new words, then 2 question and answers I am going to give you. So you have to complete that new words and question answers. Okay, so that's all for today. We are going to meet in the next session. Thank you.